Hey guys, I have good news for you. I'm here to tell you that you have to stop searching after video marketing tools. I have the solution to your problem. So please, watch the video and you'll understand why.
Let's now take a look at just how quick and easy it is to create presenter-style videos using Vidnami. First off, the best part is you don't need to write a script. As soon as an idea for a video pops into your head, simply grab your laptop and launch Vidnami. Then choose one of the presenter video templates. Select the new webcam recording option and start talking to the camera. The aim here is to explain your idea or concept in a casual way. So try to imagine you're just chatting to a group of friends. When you've finished, click this button and Vidnami will automatically transcribe your recording and create your script. You can then review your script and make any tweaks necessary. When you're happy, just hit the Create Scenes button. Vidnami will then automatically create all the scenes for your video. Now, one of the most powerful features of a presenter video is that you can drop other clips over the top of your webcam recording to illustrate exactly what you're talking about. Vidnami's artificial intelligence engine will also analyze your script and intelligently suggest clips from our built-in library. Simply choose from the suggested clips, and once you're happy with your visuals, click through to preview your video. Here you can quickly add a watermark and a background music track, and we're done. Let's check out our finished video.
Hi guys, it's Dr. Anthony here. I've just come back from having lunch with a friend of mine, and we were talking about how to improve remote team meetings. And one thing I mentioned to my friend was how we capture action points during a meeting to make sure that no tasks get forgotten or fall through the cracks. So I thought I'd make a quick video to share this handy tip with you as well.
In the past, this kind of video would have taken hours to create, using 5 different software programs to pull everything together. But as you can see, the combination of Vidnami's new presenter-style videos and built-in AI engine means you can now create broadcast-quality videos using just your laptop and webcam. With automatic text splitting, auto layouts, auto bolding, automatic video clip selection, auto animation, automatic text-to-speech, auto transitions, automatic transcription, auto captions, and automatic music selection, Vidnami transforms video creation into a fun, quick, and enjoyable process. These new presenter-style videos are perfect for corporate training videos, video newsletters, online course videos, educational videos, or just for staying in touch with your audience. You also get unlimited access to over 978,000 professional clips from Storyblocks. Plus, you'll get unlimited access to a library of 30,000 Storyblocks music tracks. And if you join today, you'll also receive our video marketing bonus pack at no extra cost. This amazing bonus pack includes our ultimate video traffic blueprint pack, our 5-minute Facebook ad formula, our 21 ways to find clients cheat sheet, our smartphone camera tips ebook, our how to eliminate writer's block ebook, plus our YouTube SEO cheat sheet. All up, this exclusive bundle delivers over $1,406 of value. So to make sure you don't miss out, click the button below now.
Cool, right? The bad news is that this offer, it's not going to last long. I strongly urge you to act right now and get your marketing to the next level.